Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea, and today we will be discussing mole and formula mass show it you know questions. Before we get started, I'd like to point out that the periodic table you use could make your molar masses differ slightly. For instance, I have a periodic table where the atoms have an atomic mass rounded to the nearest whole number. However, I have another one that lists the atomic mass to 3 decimal places. So let's get started with number 1, NaCl, or sodium chloride. Sodium chloride has one sodium atom with an atomic mass of 22.990 and one chlorine atom with an atomic mass of 35.453. If you were to multiply the number of atoms by the mass, you would get a total mass of 22.990 for sodium and 35.453 for chlorine. You can then add these together to get a molar mass of 58.443 grams per mole for sodium chloride. If you used the whole number approximations, you would get 58 grams per mole. Now let's try another problem. Barium bromide has one barium atom and two bromine atoms. Barium has an atomic mass of 137.328 and bromine has an atomic mass of 79.904, meaning the total mass of barium is 137.328 and the total mass of bromine is 159.808. Once we add all of these together, we get a molar mass of 297.136 grams per mole for barium bromide, or 297 grams per mole. Now let's look at another example. Iron 3 chloride. There is one iron atom and 3 chlorine atoms. Iron has an atomic mass of 55.845 and chlorine has an atomic mass of 35.453. If we multiply each of these rows, we get a total mass of iron of 55.845 and a total mass of chlorine of 106.359. We can then add these together to get a molar mass of 162.204 grams per mole for iron 3 chloride. However, if you used whole numbers for your atomic masses, you would have only gotten 161 grams per mole. Now let's look at potassium phosphate, which is made up of 3 potassiums, 1 phosphorus, and 4 oxygens. Potassium has a molar mass of 39.098. Phosphorus has an atomic mass of 30.974, and oxygen has an atomic mass of 15.999. Multiplying each row, we get a total mass of potassium of 117.294, a total mass of phosphorus of 30.974, and a total mass for oxygen of 63.996. This means that the molar mass of potassium phosphate is 214.694 grams per mole. However, using whole numbers, we would only get 212 grams per mole. Now let's look at example 5, calcium carbonate. In calcium carbonate, there is one atom of calcium, which has a molar mass of 40.078, giving us a total calcium mass of 40.078. There is one carbon atom with a molar mass of 12.011, giving us a total mass of 12.011. There are 3 oxygen atoms, each with a mass of 15.999, for a total mass of 47.997. This means that we can add all these together to get the molar mass of calcium carbonate, which is 100.086 grams per mole, or 100 grams per mole. Sulfuric acid, or H2SO4, is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and 4 oxygen atoms. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008 for a total hydrogen mass of 2.016. The molar mass of sulfur is 32.066 for a total mass of 32.066 grams of sulfur. And oxygen has a molar mass of 15.999, which when we multiply by 4 gives us a total mass of 63.996 grams of oxygen. We can then add all of these individual elemental masses together to get our molar mass of sulfuric acid, which is 98.078 grams per mole, or 98 grams per mole. Let's have a look at example 7, iron 3 hydroxide. First, we have one iron atom with an atomic mass of 55.845 for a total mass of iron of 55.845. Then we have three oxygen atoms, each with an atomic mass of 15.999 for a total mass of oxygen of 47.997. Finally, we have three hydrogen atoms, each with a mass of 1.008 for a total hydrogen mass of 3.024. When we add all of these together, we get the molar mass of iron 3 hydroxide, which is 106.866 grams per mole, or 107 grams per mole. For our final example, let's look at aluminum carbonate. There are two aluminum atoms, each with an atomic mass of 26.982 for a total mass of aluminum of 53.964. Then there are three carbon atoms, each with a mass of 12.011 for a total mass of carbon of 36.033. Finally, there are 3 times 3 is 9 atoms of oxygen, each with an atomic mass of 15.999 for a total mass of oxygen of 143.991. Add all of these together and you get the mass of aluminum carbonate, which is 233.988 grams per mole, or 234 grams per mole.